Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the Diamonds Clear Case from Torras for the iPhone 13 series. This is a case that gives you great protection, but also allows the beauty of your brand new iPhone 13 series phone to shine. So we're going to pull it out here and take a look at it so you can see it in all its beauty. And there it is. Now there is a screen protector over it to make sure it stayed nice and clean and packing. I'm going to take that off. Look how crystal clear that is. It is so clear that I'm going to hold that up to my camera lens. You can't even tell that it's in front of my camera lens. You're looking through the phone case at my hand. You can't even tell because that's how clear it is. Beautiful, crystal clear, hard PC back, and then nice, soft TPU bumper around the outside, so keeps it nice and protected while providing good grip as well. Now this back is non-yellowing. It has a diamond antioxidant material in it, so over time this isn't going to turn yellow. The case, both the back and the sides, are going to stay clear just like they are now. And that's what you want. You paid a lot of money for your iPhone. You picked out the color you want. Half the reason you buy it is because of the design and the style. So why do you want to cover that up and hide it with a case? With this case, you don't do that. With this case, crystal clear, you'll be able to see it just as if it didn't have a case on it in all its beauty, but it's going to be nice and protected. Now, part of that protection is military grade protection, and a lot of that comes from this. This is the X-Shock Air Guards, and these are in every corner. These X-Shock Air Guards provide that extra protection because corners are the most vulnerable. When you drop your phone, if it hits on the corner, that's what can really do a lot of damage. But with these X-Shock Air Guards, you're going to get military grade protection against those drops. So that is great. You also have a slightly raised bezel, both around the camera bump as well as around the screen of the phone, just ever so slightly. Not enough to add bulk to your phone because this is a very slim fit case so that it doesn't add a lot of bulk, but it is enough of a bezel to protect. So you can set your phone down flat and your screen is actually not going to touch anything because of that bezel, that slightly raised bezel. Same thing on the back here with the camera bump. You set your phone down, you don't have to worry about the actual camera bump touching anything because you have that slightly raised bezel to protect it. So it's really a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful case. It does have all the necessary button covers and cutouts. You have your volume rocker here. You have your cutout for your do not disturb mode right there, your do not disturb mode button. On the other side, you've got your nice cover for the power button right there. And then on the bottom here, you've got your cutouts for your lightning power port as well as speakers. So all the necessary cutouts are there. But again, what's really great about this case is just how simple and how clear it is and how it really allows the beauty of the iPhone to shine through as if you didn't even have a case. It's so nice and slim, but provides all the protection that you need to make sure your investment is protected. Again, this is called the Diamonds Crystal Clear Case from Torras. Really an excellent, excellent case to showcase your iPhone and keep it well protected.